Hi everyone, these are the ingredients and tools that you need to make your microwave mug cake. If you've got a microwave, you need a mug that can go in the microwave. You need any type of milk, some lemon juice or a piece of lemon, some oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, don't use groundnut if you're allergic to nuts, self-raising flour, bicarbonate of soda, caster sugar, and then a grater if you're going to use some lemon zest, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a fork to mix with. If you don't have a microwave or you want to bake yours, you need some muffin cases. There you go. Let's get started. So the amounts you need: 3 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of lemon zest if you're using it, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, and 4 raspberries. They can be fresh or frozen. You could use blueberries or blackberries or anything else, or maybe even a blob of jam. Okay, let's make a start. So I'm going to warm up my oven because I'm going to do mine in the microwave and in a mug. So I want to set that to about 180 degrees to start with. So this is the cool bit. You take your milk, 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3. You add your lemon juice. Now remember, this could be fresh lemon juice, it really doesn't matter. It's a teaspoon. And when you put the lemon juice into the milk, something really cool happens. So we need to leave that, give it a stir, and we're going to leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back to it. At this point, if you want to use some lemon zest, you can just grate it into your mug. While we're waiting for that, we're going to measure out our other ingredients. Okay, so we've given that 2 or 3 minutes, and while I've been waiting, I've made another bowl so that I can make some in the oven. So can you see what's happened to that? It's kind of gone a bit thick and a bit lumpy. It kind of looks like the milk's gone off, a bit yogurty. If yours looks like that, it's perfect. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. So next, we're going to add the other ingredients. Right, 1.5 minutes in the microwave for this one. Oops, that's 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes. These ones, I'm going to go with 5 minutes to start with. and see how we go. I think that's done. So I'm just going to leave it for a second and have a look at our baking ones. And let's see what our Mug Muffin looks like. Yum! So, about 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. But everybody's oven's a bit different. And then I would leave them to cool a little bit before you touch them. There you go. Done.